Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. So what I have here is a really nice aluminum battery box. This I actually bought for the postal Jeep. I was going to put it in there, and it's just a little too big and a little bit not at all the style that I want for the Jeep. So as you can see, the studs are too long, but once it's installed in whatever, it gets cut down. This is a eBay battery box. I just put it all together. Comes with cables. Basically, it's a remote mount battery kit. So I've got the positive cable and everything to run it, to like trunk mount this. So I am going to use this box in the 59 Fairlane to mount the battery in the trunk. I think it'll just clean it up, having the battery located in the back. And it's a nice vented box. They give you grommets for here. There's your vent line. Again, these will get cut to length once it's bolted in. It had that plastic protective stuff over it, but I wanted to put it together. So anyway, a lot nicer kit than I thought it was going to be. I think I paid $18 for this thing. So I really thought it was going to be just a cheap pile of shit. It comes with inside of here, there's an aluminum crossbar that ties these together, and it's the actual hold down itself. All the hardware, all the screws, cables, grommets. For like say 17, 18 bucks, what a steal. You can't buy the material for that. So yeah, anyway, that's another little goodie for the Fairlane. I'm just kind of going through some boxes and putting things together and looking at what I need still and what I've already got. Now when I wire this into the car, I'm going to go ahead and run the cables that go to the car through the bottom and then through the trunk floor. And here I'm going to mount bulkhead posts, so that if the car needs jumped, you just connect your jumper cables here and here, rather than having to open up anything. So, I found those for 26 bucks on eBay. Yeah, they're probably Chinesium, but I'm going to take advantage while I can before stuff starts to get real stupid expensive, besides food and gas. But, yeah, if you're looking for a decent looking battery box with decent size, this is the way to go. And I like this a hell of a lot better than those shitty plastic ones. Now, if a guy really wanted to, he could go to the inside of this at the seams and seal it up with silicone. They've got it designed to where when you take the lid off, you can lift the sides off separately. So I was going to put some like rivets or self-tappers along the base, but I'm not going to. I like the way that it is set up. So, but I thought I'd show you guys that. Just a nice piece for the kind of money they want. I don't know what the dimensions are. It's probably easy 10-12 inches this way by probably 12-14 this way, and pretty tall, so it'll fit any size battery that's of the automotive style. An Optima would fit in there. Even some of your deep cycles would. So anyway, that's all I got for today, guys. Just wrapping this up, or putting this together. Wrapping up the transmission. Got the pan all cleaned up and painted. And got a new gasket to stick on it. Yes, transmissions do fit on engine stands very nicely. Makes it easier to work on. I'm going to throw the new front and rear seals in before I take that off the stand. So, anyway, just showing you guys what I'm at today. New battery box for the Fairlane. Alright guys, if you would hit that like, share, and subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. All that stuff's free, doesn't cost you a thing, and it really helps support the channel. So we'll see you in the next one. Get out in the garage.